So it's National Doughnut Appreciation Day, and as the resident donut connoisseur at the office, I thought it would be a great time to do a video on donut and coffee pairings. And to begin, I would like to start with my favorite donut flavor of all time, original glazed. This is the go-to, always the best one to reach for, at least in my opinion. So with an original glazed donut, it does have hints of vanilla and toffee, so it's great to go with other brown flavors like spices, cinnamon, nuts, and in this case, since it's my go-to, I wanted to try something with kind of more delicate flavors and a little bit of acidity to round out the sweetness. So I picked something from Bright Jenny, and this one has notes of peach spice, lilac, and gooseberries. I think it's also a good idea to start with the coffee, just in case your donut is too sweet and it overpowers the taste of coffee and then you can't taste it anymore. So that's my little trick. Now let's dig into this. I love my job. Perfect combo from Bright Jenny. Love it. Love, love. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, donut number 2, chocolate glazed. All right, this is if you're feeling a little extra and just want a little upgrade from the original glazed. The classic chocolate glazed donut. Chocolate typically pairs well with other nuts like almonds, hazelnuts. You can also pair it with fruits like bananas, strawberries, pineapples, coconuts, all great combos. And so for that reason, I picked something from Subtext to pair with this donut. And they have banana, pineapple, and toffee as some of their tasting notes. So let's see how this goes. Wow, that's amazing. I don't think I've ever tasted banana in coffee before, so that's pretty cool. That's it. Okay, donut number 3. We have the raspberry filled jelly donut. Also a classic, also a favorite amongst the 8-ounce team. And so with this one, I was thinking about raspberry pairings, and some flavors that go well with raspberry would be other berries, almonds, milk chocolate, peach, what did I say earlier? Plum. Other stone fruits like that. And lo and behold, Ethica actually has something that lists all of those notes. We've got milk chocolate, almonds, stone fruit. So this, I think, would be perfect to go with a raspberry-filled donut. By the way, these donuts are from a local company called Glamorgan Bakery, and it's one of our favorite places to pick up anything from, like donuts, cheese buns, more donuts. If you're in YYC, please check them out. Together, it's like I'm eating a milk chocolate flavored raspberry, or at least I can say that to myself, and that's what I'm experiencing right now. Okay, last but not least, we have the Sprinkles donuts. Is that what we call this? Sprinkles? Birthday cake donut? So I typically don't reach for the sprinkle donut. I find it too sweet, a little too candy-like for my preference, but I do know that a perfect way to complement something that is too sweet is with acid. And there's something that I read on this bag from Workshop Coffee that drew me to it, and it talks about a silky body and brown sugar sweetness which complement a lime-like acidity. And so I think that would pair very well with something sweet like this. That acidity should be able to cut or counter or be a nice contrast to something sweet like a sprinkled donut. So let's try it out. Also, this is really cool because we got this from London, UK, so I think our coffee program is a great way to find new roasters from around the world, which we're going to be continually bringing in different countries, different regions, to showcase what the world has to offer. I'm going to be so energetic today. I was just transported to my 8th birthday. This is great. Perfect. Well, thank you so much for watching this donut and coffee pairing video. Please tell us what are some of your favorite donut shops in your city. We would love to be able to travel to them and taste them for ourselves when it's finally safe to do so. And do check out these amazing roasters. We have an amazing lineup of different Canadian coffee roasters that are just willing to be discovered by you. So till next time, happy brewing!